how to remove vocals from Suno AI song. You want to open up Suno AI, then go to your library. Right here, I'm just going to remove it from this song. You want to find the song which you want to remove the vocals from. Click on the three dots. Then you want to go into download, and then you will select get stems. You will need a pro subscription for this, so you just want to click on get stems. Right here you will have the full song, and you want to leave it as either as auto split. It's going to split your audio from, or sorry, your instrumental from your vocals, and you can click on extract. Right here, once this completes extracting, then you will just need to download it. So here you have the option for everything, and if you want just the vocals downloaded or removed, you will click on the three dots right here once this completes, obviously. So it's going to take a little bit of time, but you will have the option here, and you can go ahead and remove those, download just whatever you need. So for example, if you just need the guitar, you will click on download here, and you have the option of MP3 audio. And once you download just the instrumental, then you will be able to upload it again here and reuse it. So I hope this video helps you out. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.